things that we have to do is title it. If I give this a title, mingle form, or whatever, if I click up here, watch this. This is magic. What? So since I changed the title here, it automatically changes it up there. One of the things it's supposed to do also is collect email addresses. When I clicked on the gear icon, did you see that? It has collect email addresses. Save. So now it automatically will collect their email address so they don't have to type it in. So I don't want it as a question, I just want it to go automatically. Some of the other things that I'm supposed to get: short answer, check boxes, multiple choice. So by default, it's multiple choice. So I could say, which pet would you rather have? And then I can have dog, cat, chimpanzee, probably misspelled, or a tiger. One of the other criteria is you have to have some required questions. Down here there's a required slider. If it's purple, it's on. If it's gray, it's off. I can click new question with this plus, or if I want to do one similar, I can just click this. Nope, not click this, and that will duplicate the question so it's the exact same. Instead of multiple choice, I'm going to go short answer, and maybe I should have added, what is your name? What us your name? If I want to rearrange, I can rearrange by clicking on those 6 dots and dragging it up. And I'm going to add another question. And from the multiple choice, you can see that there are a whole bunch of different options here that you can choose. That's not terribly difficult. Otherwise, checkboxes, multiple choice, drop down. Linear scale can be a little bit challenging. So linear scale is on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you love pickles? Linear scale, 1 to 10. Label, 1 is hate and love And that one I'm going to make required just because I have to have a required question. Theme is customized. My theme, right now it's purple. And that's this little paint palette. So if I click customize theme, I can choose a different color and now it's customized, or I can make it fancy. And I can choose an image. Jelly beans, sure. Jelly beans it is. Jelly beans. And let's make a blue jelly beans. Now it's manly. Manly jelly beans. Oops. And almost done. Open to non-stjohnbc.net domains. Customize title for the form. So the only thing I have left is open to non-stjohnbc.net. And that's here also. So the gear icon requires sign in. Right now it's restricted St. John users. So the benefit to that is you don't have spam and stuff like that, but more than likely you'll be fine. If you want to limit it to one response so you don't have tons of people responding, you can kind of play with the other things, edit after submit so they can change it, or they can see a summary of what everybody else said when they're done. There are some other cool things. I can turn on quiz mode where I make right and wrong answers, because when I ask what your favorite pet is, you should have put tiger, because that's the correct answer, not dog, not cat, not chimpanzee. I can shuffle the progress bar. Show the progress bar so you can see how many questions are left. I can shuffle the questions, so if somebody's taking a test, everybody's getting a different question at a different time so they can't cheat. Otherwise, that is it. I'm going to go to send, and I can send it to hand it in to me by getting a link and copying and pasting that. Or when you're in Google Classroom and you go into to create it, you can click to add a form. Let's see if I can show you. Do you guys know how to do that? Possibly. Let's go to Google Classroom. And let's sign in as somebody else. Stop it. So I can do add or create, and now here I can find, I can't find a form. What? Never mind. Scratch that.
Can you go to your Google Drive?
Well, it'd have to be created there. So I was thinking there's going to be a drop down like docs, slides, sheets, drawings. For some reason I was thinking forms was in there also, but Google stinks, so never mind. So just copy and paste that URL for handing it in. So go to send, click the link, copy this, and then paste that in for your thing. Or you can go to Google Drive and link it that way. Any questions? All right, I'm going to stick the video that I just made up also. If you have computers 1 through